So it's around 5 a.m. in the morning. Looks very tasty, but I'm not judging any of it. Will be cooked by someone who is not at all experienced in this field. A new experience that we never did. Very bad symptoms. So I have to make sure that I don't end up doing it again and again. And it seems like the problem of ADHD is back, but I don't want it to be back. So let's go. So welcome to vlog number 17. We are starting today's vlog. So I have been watching vlogs today, like how the other vloggers does. I never watched vlog because it had made no sense for me as such. But after that I started it, it has started making sense, and I understood what the psychology is. So I get to studying all these new vlogs, and I discovered a lot of insight. But before we go to that part, I want to start today's vlog with the orders that I've done today. It is approximately today is Thursday, and it is 4:30 already, 4:25. So it is already 4:25, and we are doing our first video on vlog number 17. And I wanted to start this video with some good things, which is basically I've ordered a lot of stuff on this Blinkit. So let's just open it one by one. These are the stuff that we have bought. Now let me see what are the things that we have gotten on our Blinkit. First is I got this pen drive. Though I know it is a zone of cloud and it is the era of cloud computing and cloud storage, but I got this pen drive because it is handy and I can store all my data into it totally safe, and I can put the protection key into it. So that's one of the things. And I got a tender coconut ice cream by NIC, which we are gonna enjoy because we had a lot of work done today. Oh shit! Ice cream was cold and it had its effect on this chocolate. I think the chocolate is all right from inside, and yeah, so we have a 70% dark chocolate. If you know why we eat dark chocolate, you know why we eat dark chocolate. And then come this Mountain Dew package of 8 stuff together. So I forgot to put my mic over here. I don't know how much of the voice is coming into it. So we got these 4 things from Blinkit, and we're gonna start our day. Actually, we have started our day quite a while. We're gonna start our afternoon party with all these things kicking off. We have some other works to do as well, and we are planning to make some. What do you say? Puri. In Bengali, we call it luchi. So we are planning to cook some puri in our office today. So that is something we are hoping to get done by the evening. So this is something that will be much a new experience that we never did. So these are the few things that we are gonna do. And apart from that, yeah, apart from that, things are going good today. uh yeah, I'll see you on the next part of the video. By the way, I was watching a lot of vlogs which I was saying previously, and I got a lot of analytics. I got to delve into the analytics of my YouTube as well. Discovered pretty amazing stuff. We had like lot of unique viewers, over 300 unique viewers in the last 14 days. So which is something that is very much impressive, considering people will watch content all in English, business vlog, me talking, me just outpouring and all this stuff. So that is something that I never expected that would happen, but it has happened. So yeah, so these are the things that we are gonna use now, and see you on the next part of the vlog. Okay, so this evening we woke up. Actually, we were sleeping for a couple of hours, not hours, we were sleeping for some time. I think 45 40 minutes. Then we had a meeting. He had a meeting, I had my own stuff going on. We did a lot of stuff after that. Right now we are at the evening market, and we are here to basically buy a few stuff for our office, and we're gonna cook some puri and what is it called? Aloo Dum?
Aloo Dum.
Dum aloo.
Dum.
So we are gonna cook puri and dum aloo, and then we'll go do some fun activities. I'm pretty excited for tonight, today evening. It has been a long time since I have had ADHD symptoms. Like I have not had it for the past 7 days, so that is a pretty long time for me. But today, I did feel like procrastinating a lot. I slept a little bit in the afternoon, so these two were very bad symptoms. So I have to make sure that I don't end up doing it again and again. So that's something for now, and we are here to do our own evening things. And I am again seeing a lot of fillers into my talking and conversation that we are doing currently. So that is a bad sign. I think I think 1 or 2 day of break can make a lot of things happen. And also, since I have put in myself off from the situation of having this entire thing, what do I say? Situation of editing a vlog, I actually am teaching my editor how to do the vlog. But what happens is, since I had this tendency of ADHD for a quite long time, 1 or 2 years, what I ended up doing is basically I ended up jumping from one task to another, which is why the symptom is there. Okay, let's go. So we have completed our entire shopping for this. So this is what we have bought. There are a lot of stuff and this as well. So we're gonna cook some aloo dum aloo and puri. So once it is done, we'll show you. Till then, I have a lot of other stuffs to do, and puri and dum aloo will be cooked by someone who is not at all experienced in this field. She is going to do it probably for the first time. So I don't know what type of puri we are gonna eat, but I'm thinking and hoping that we're gonna get the good puris out of it. So let's go. Good, not just good, great. For a first timer, it is incredible. Wow, love it. We speak Bengali khana. If you want to know the recipe, we'll be adding the recipe. But for now, let me enjoy it in peace because I haven't had this been doing which I have been trying for the past 2 years. So I got a subscription of a software. The name of the software is Lead Guru. Leads Guru. No, not Leads Guru. It is Leads Gorilla. So I got the software like 2.5 years back. It was on a lifetime deal, and I could never use this software because Google Map API was not allowing me to do the custom search, and Google API was not allowed at India at that point of time. So I had to take the cloud subscription, then I had to cancel it, and I could never use it. But right now this opportunities came to me, and I saw like this opportunity. Not so I suddenly remembered I have leads Gorilla. I was looking for some way to make some leads, and because I'm gonna go to a different market in US, and I'm gonna try out over there. Yeah. So of these fucking dogs. I love dogs. I hate dogs. I don't know, but these dogs are very irritating. It very irritating. Okay, so now talking to the part of Leeds Gorilla. So I'm gonna work on the Leeds Gorilla. I'll show you sometime how to use Leeds Gorilla and how good this app is. And I have finally managed to do that. And this app is getting to be the most productive app that I've purchased. And I've used this app today. Apart from that, I uploaded a video. We had a very good dinner with puri and the malu and all this stuff. So this was pretty good day. But most of the day, I tried not doing much productive things. I had a few things, but those were not much that of a productive. So I'm constantly in a guilt position, and it seems like the problem of ADHD is back. But I don't want. So right now, I took this shot, and this is going to be my walking shot for now. And I'm gonna start walking on it, and then let me just put it over here because these fucking dogs are very irritating. Let me get a Mountain Dew. By the way, this is the Mountain Dew pack that we have used, and it has quite a good number of Mountain Dews. And the coconut water, I never ordered it. I take coconut water from the coconut. So there were two guys who were living with us in this apartment. Like they came to visit here and they ordered it. So that's the thing. Now coming to the part, these dogs are very irritating. So I'll stop recording for now. And yeah, let's do some work. Let's nail the night with productivity. Then we'll get to sleep, and then we'll see. Okay, so it's around 5 a.m. in the morning. We did a good brainstorming session tonight. We had a lot of thing that we did tonight, and I'm very much excited to share these things later on. So what we are going to all of you can see they're dead tired. Walked the whole day yesterday, pulled an all nighter. So what are this, Indro? This is some Korean noodle. This is the Korean noodle that Nirit made me try. So this is very much spicy. It is not ramen. It's ramen. Okay, it's ramen. Okay. So this is something that we have right now ordered from Blinkit, and we're gonna enjoy this Korean spicy noodles, and then we'll go to sleep. We'll play some Uno in between while enjoying this noodle and all. And after that, I think that's it. That's it for the vlog number 17, if I'm not wrong. See you at vlog number 18. Till then, goodbye. Also, this is the part of the video that I am going to add on every single vlog of mine. If you learn something, or if you are learning something from my vlog, or if you are enjoying this, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're not enjoying it, it's completely fine. You can fuck off. But if you're enjoying this, don't forget to like, share, drop a comment, and subscribe. Subscribing is the most important part, because 99% of my views, not 99%, I have seen the actual numbers today. 60% of my views are from non subscribers, and they have the largest retention as well. So go ahead, subscribe. I'm watching you. Till then, goodbye.